What up, guys? It's the door knock Keebler here, doing a little hand thing, intro, whatever, you know. Um, and I'm here today to make a peanut butter and wait, no, the peanut butter's too hard. Today, I'm making a maple syrup and jelly sandwich because the peanut butter is too hard. So, first of all, obviously, you're gonna need some bread, right? Like, bread on. So here's the bread. There were crumbs all over my hands and snowflakes and shit. So the important thing here today is that you do every single step exactly how I say it, or like something horribly wrong could happen. So you better watch out. You better not cry. So first of all, we got some Mrs. Butterworth's. You know, the brand that was completely ruined. Anyways, so this stuff can get a little messy. So, damn, that's so far. So, here's the bread. You know, you got some bread. Doesn't matter what bread you use. And you're going to want to very, very carefully pour the maple syrup out. And just sort of coat the sandwich, you know. Get all the parts that need to be covered. Because this is your peanut butter. You know what I mean? So there you go. That's one piece of bread. You want a nice, good, like, spread of it like that. Ooh, but don't make it drip everywhere. That would suck, right? So, next thing you're going to want to do is grab the jelly, right? And a knife. Sorry about that. Just had a little disturbance. So where was I? Oh yes, the knife. You're gonna need a knife and some jelly. Oh, God. You're gonna want a nice, knife full. A good knife full. Damn it, that was such a fail. You know what, guys? Shh, I'm just gonna take that jelly that just fell on the table and I'm gonna use it anyways. So anyways, we're gonna spread this over the bread here. People are home now, so gotta hush it up a little bit here. I'm gonna go ahead and spread that over the sandwich. This is not okay. You can't do this, okay? You need more jelly. I've touched so many city bus things today. Man, I should have washed my hands before doing this. So, we're gonna go ahead and just pretend like I didn't just acknowledge that, and, you know, because what bus pole? I didn't touch a bus pole, right? I don't have to, like postpone anything or anything like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take more jelly here because we definitely do not have enough. And so here we are back spreading the jelly. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and spread that over the sandwich here. We're gonna go ahead and spread it over the sandwich here, guys. What's up? It's Mr. Commentary Voice 77. Obviously, I've heard that that people don't like my commentary and that I need to be more casual with it and less quirky. So we're gonna go ahead and take these two pieces of bread, the maple syrup and the strawberry jam, and we're gonna go ahead and put them together like this, guys. Okay, this is my real voice that I'm using right now. I'm using my real voice. Any jam you spilled, you're gonna want to clean up with a paper towel. I can't help it. Anyways, seriously now, we're gonna take this to the trash can. But seriously though, we're taking it there seriously. We're not taking it there in any sort of quirky way or something. So, I'm gonna throw that in the trash. And here we are, back to the future. I mean back to the serious plate and the serious sandwich. So, whether or not you want your sandwich cut in half is up to you. I don't like my sandwiches cut. I'm going full crust, baby. So we're going in. I think this is funny. I'm serious. Okay. It's funny. So, anyways. That's how you make a serious peanut butter and jelly sandwich. With extra seriousness on top. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure did. Wasn't that funny? How I cartoonishly sucking this stuff out of my fingers. In a serious way, though. Anyways, peace out.